you so much. So we're going to do a song now that we named the band after. These guys, we are so lucky to have these guys. This is the Bird Dogs band behind Dylan and I. And this song is called Bird Dog. And this one was written by the great husband and wife songwriting team out of Nashville, Felice and Boudleaux Bryant. And they played such a crucial role in the Everly Brothers' success. They actually wrote Bye Bye Love a year before it was a hit in 1956 while they were driving in a storm to the rhythm of the windshield wipers. Because they would write wherever they were.
It was also offered to 30 other artists before the Everly Brothers, including Elvis.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we heard that Elvis drank nothing but this water from the spring here. Someone told us that this is Elvis water. This is Elvis water.
Yeah, try it. Maybe we'll change the way we talk.
Oh! Oh, thank you. My goodness. So, Bye Bye Love was offered to Elvis, but he actually turned it down. And, but of course he didn't need it. He did just fine for himself. But, so, that was Bye Bye Love was the first big hit for the Everlys. And then the record company asked Felice and Boudleaux, can you guys write us another Bye Bye Love? So they wrote Wake Up Little Susie. And then that was an even bigger hit. And then they asked, can you write us a ballad? So they wrote All I Have to Do Is Dream. And they went on to write a string of hits. And they were exclusively writing for the Everly Brothers during the late 50s, including Devoted to You, Poor Jenny, Love Hurts, The Love of My Life, Problems, Strangers. They're brilliant writers. And they also wrote the Rocky Top, the Tennessee State song. Great song. Boo. It's just a song. Oh man, that's great. I love that. Dividing the audience so quickly. So yeah, this they played such a big role in the Everly Brothers' success. And so you're going to be hearing a lot of their songs tonight. This is one of them. It's called Bird Dog.
You won't be hearing Rocky Top, though, that's for sure.
Johnny is a joke guy. He's a bird. A very funny joke guy. He's a bird. Already just my honey. He's a dog. His joking is so funny. What a dog. Johnny is a joking that's a try to see my baby. He's a bird dog. Johnny sings a love song like a bird. He sings the sweetest love song you ever heard. When he sings a my girl, what a howl. I think he's just a wolf dog. Proud. Johnny wants to fly away, fucking love my baby, he's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my friend. Hey bird dog, you roam the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my love down alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little love your home. Chicken little love, bird. He's a dog. He's a bird dog.